Good evening and thank you for joining us. We are going to begin with some breaking news. California now exceeds every state in the U.S. in coronavirus cases, including the pandemic's original epicenter, New York. With the number of infections growing and the death toll rising nationwide, tonight the nation's leading infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, is issuing a sobering warning. The virus may never be fully eradicated. Now, in an effort to at least get it under control, several more states, including Ohio, Indiana, and Minnesota, as well as the cities of Baltimore and Washington, D.C., said they would mandate masks be worn nearly all of the time in public. And the NFL now says when it allows fans back into stadiums, they'll be required to wear masks too. And tonight, the U.S. government says it will pay nearly $2 billion to two pharmaceutical companies in exchange for 100 million doses of a vaccine that's still under development. Now, if it works, the administration says Americans would be given that vaccine for free or at an affordable price. So as we come on the air tonight, the virus has killed more than 142,000 people in the U.S. and confirmed cases now top 3.9 million. That's more than 1 out of every 4 cases in the world. There's a lot of reporting to get to tonight, and our team of correspondents is standing by to cover it all. CBS's Manuel Bojorquez is going to lead us off tonight from Miami. Good evening, Manny.
Good evening, Nora. 10 hospitals here in Miami-Dade County report having 1 or no adult ICU beds available. Given the situation in the state, late this afternoon, the governor appeared to soften his stance on forcing all schools to reopen next month.
If a school district needs to delay the school year for a few weeks so that everything will be in good shape, have at it.
Governor Ron DeSantis' change of heart on schools comes amid renewed urgency over Florida's hospitals. The governor says emergency managers are in the process of deploying up to 1,400 relief nurses around the state. Deaths, which initially lagged behind new cases, have now soared. Yet more families are in mourning. 19-year-old college student Jordan Bird, who was diabetic, died in Tallahassee.
I miss him. He was just a gentle giant.
California surpassed New York as the state with the most cases since the pandemic began, more than 400,000. In parts of Texas, like the Rio Grande Valley's Hidalgo County, Dr. Ivan Melendez says the situation continues to worsen.
Can you even get new patients into the ICUs there?
If someone dies, we get a bed.
If someone dies, other than that, what happens to a new patient?
Very difficult. You have to creatively find other place to put this patient.
The county had its deadliest single day yesterday, 49 people. CBS News has learned an internal CDC memo indicates nationwide cases in children are rising too, near the level of cases of patients 65 or older. Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci warned the virus may never disappear.
I think we ultimately will get control of it. I don't really see us eradicating it.
Across the country, the debate over wearing masks continues.
I don't need to wear a mask for them to be safe.
But today, Ohio, Indiana, and Minnesota, as well as Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, enacted mask orders. The Home Depot joined the list of retailers requiring customers to wear them. The NFL announced it will require them of fans too, if the games are played at all.
On the vaccine front, the government announced today a contract worth nearly $2 billion with 2 companies, including Pfizer, to provide 600 million doses. The companies have said that if their vaccine is proven safe and efficient, 100 million of those doses could be available by December. Nora?
Manuel Bojorquez, thank you.